Hi. I thought you were going in the shower. Where'd you go? Night. Oh. You want in the shower? Get out of the bathroom if you don't want in the shower. You little creep. Get in.